Welcome. This is PowerPoint Mail Merge for Text and Image, PowerPoint 2016, Part 3. My name is Jeffrey Smith. In this tutorial, I want to show how to use the Suppress Field option and the Hide Empty and Hide Zero option. In this PowerPoint, I've set up 3 shapes. For paragraph 1, paragraph 2, and paragraph 3. These paragraphs are defined in the Excel spreadsheet. Paragraph 1, paragraph 2, paragraph 3. I've set up this spreadsheet to have multiple data rows. Each named cell has a column, and each data row represents a variation of the data. Now this data is displayed by the Portfolio Controls panel. Data row number 1 looks like this. The yellow input cells show that there are 3 input fields. Data row 2 shows that paragraph 3 is empty, and data row 3, paragraph 2 and paragraph 3 are empty. Logical values are calculated here and then converted into numeric values, ones or zeros. Now in the PowerPoint spreadsheet, I've set up these 3 shapes to be the same size, and I've set the PowerPoint paragraph parameters to use numbering. If you want, you could change it to letters and so forth. Now the issue is, when you go through the data with cursor control, here we're on data row 1, all 3 paragraphs are present. They go up to data row 2, only 2 are present. In data row 3, only 1 is present. Now the thing is, to get this kind of functionality, you need to make 3 shapes basically the same size. Okay, these shapes are the same size and on top of one another, and they are opaque, so they block out what's behind them. And then in Mail Merge, for example, paragraph 3, we set the Hide Empty option. So if the paragraph is completely empty, as you can see here, it's not empty. If it's empty, it will be hidden. Otherwise, we will prepend this text in front of the value, which is the value of the field paragraph 1, followed by a carriage return, the value of paragraph 2, followed by a carriage return. Now paragraph 2 is hide empty, and it prepends only the value of paragraph 1 and a carriage return. It's also hide empty. So if paragraph 3 is empty, the shape will be hidden, and the paragraph 2 shape will then be revealed. If the paragraph 2 shape is also empty, it will be hidden, and thus the paragraph 1 shape will be revealed. Now suppose you had a different way of doing this. You wanted to use a logical value to change the appearance of the paragraphs and the shapes. So instead of hide empty, you could say hide 0. You would add paragraph 3 to the prefix text, and you'd change the field reference to the numeric value. Now the numeric value is 1. It could also be 0, but if this is where you made your change, you would see that the number 1 has appeared. That's not what you want. Instead, you want to suppress the value so that only the prefix text and suffix text are processed. Update, and there you go. Do the same thing for paragraph 2. Change it to hide 0, and put paragraph 2 at the end, and suppress the field. This is how you can use logical tests to include or exclude values from your PowerPoint presentation. I have to go back and change the paragraph numbering so they all look consistent. This has been PowerPoint Mail Merge for Text and Image for PowerPoint 2016, Part 3. My name is Jeffrey Smith, and thank you for your support.